Welcome everyone. I am Anindita De, Member, Expert Committee on School Education, the Department of School Education, Government of West Bengal. As all of you know that the COVID-19 crisis has forced schools closure for a long time, heavily disrupting our teaching learning process. But the Department of School Education has taken many initiatives for our students. The Department of School Education has taken many steps towards developing bridge materials for classes 6 to 8. Our expert teachers have prepared these bridge materials with their speedy cooperation. Students were unable to attend schools for a long time due to COVID-19 pandemic situation. As a result, some learning gaps have been developed among them. So, this bridge material intends to focus on subject-wise, class-wise, very important learning outcomes of the previous 2 years. This bridge material will also minimize the learning gaps among our learners. Say for example, those who will be belong to class 8 in 2022 are deprived of offline regular basis classes for class 6 and 7. They may face some learning gaps. Now, I am going to cite few examples to fill up these learning gaps through bridge materials. All of you are aware that according to the geography syllabus of class 8, the chapter entitled as rocks belongs to the third chapter. According to the syllabus of class 7, the chapter entitled as rocks and soil belongs to the sixth chapter. So, some important concepts regarding rocks, that is the formation of rocks, the formation of soils, differences between rocks and minerals have been discussed in the topic entitled as an introduction to rocks in the bridge material of class 8. So, this topic will create a bridge between those aforesaid chapters of class 7 and 8. Now I am discussing about class 7. According to the syllabus of class 7, the chapter entitled as Earth's Revolution belongs to the first chapter. Again, the chapter entitled as Earth's Rotation is included as a fourth chapter of class 6. So, some important concepts regarding Earth's rotation and the shape of the Earth have been discussed in the topic entitled as Earth in the space and its rotation in the bridge material of class 7. So, it can be said that it will create a bridge between these two classes and it will also minimize the learning gaps among the learners. In case of class 6, the chapter entitled as The Sun, the Stars in the Sky belongs to the first chapter, and according to the syllabus of class 4 and 5, the chapter entitled as Our Sky and the chapter entitled as Environment and the Sky are included. respectively. Now, some important concepts: solar and lunar eclipses and the concept of ebbs and tides have been discussed in the topic entitled "So Many Wonders in the Sky" in the bridge material of class 6. So, this topic will create a connection among 3 classes, and it will also minimize the learning gaps of the learners. Apart from this, some parts of bridge material contain foundation study content on some specific topics. For example, the learners will be able to comprehend the chapter Earth's Interior explicitly after learning the topic entitled as Searching into the Interior of the Earth in bridge material of class 8. Similarly, the topic entitled as The Concept of Air Pressure of class 7 and the topic entitled as Where Do We Live on the Earth's Surface of class 6 will act as foundation study content. Now I am representing the layout or arrangement of each topic of bridge material briefly. After receiving these bridge materials, you will find that at the beginning of each topic, it is given what a learner will be able to do after going through the topic. Then, some informations and concepts regarding the topic have been presented through charts, diagrams, concept maps, photographs, etc. After that, some key concepts and terminologies related to the topic have been provided in the section of points to be remembered. At last, sample questions are attached for practice of our learners. Each category of question, like multiple choice type questions, very short answer type questions, short answer type questions, short explanatory answer type questions and long answer type questions have been given. These bridge materials will be used for all students at least over a period of 100 days. If necessary, for some students, they may be use it for a long time. As the bridge material will encapsulate correlated learning outcomes, teachers can correlate the bridge materials with the textbooks whenever required. These bridge materials should be used in syllabi specific contexts. Stage-wise evolution of the students on the contents of bridge materials must be administered to the student. It is hopeful from all our honorable teachers, with their full cooperation, it will be easier to represent the bridge material as an accelerated package of learning for our learners. Thank you.